What's up, guys? I'm out in the field looking at properties, and students of mine always ask me, hey Lex, what do you look for when you're out looking for deals? Well, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for signs of vacant, boarded up properties, right? So you see this house over here completely overgrown. Let me go ahead and show you a little bit about what it looks like so you can get an idea. Notice the overgrown lawn, all right? Notice how the vegetation is pretty much going all over the house. Let's go ahead and give you guys just a quick view of it so you can see what it looks like, so you understand what a vacant house looks like. So the biggest clue is just the overgrown vegetation, right? Completely overgrown, lawns not being mowed. It looks like the house is neglected, vacant, abandoned, right? And this is exactly the kind of thing we're looking for. So in a situation like this, what we're looking to do now is get the address of the property and then simply look up who owns the property. And that's easy enough to do by going on the property appraiser website and taking a look at where the property tax bill gets mailed to, and then trying to do a skip trace and getting hold of that owner and contacting them and saying, hey, look, you've got this vacant, boarded up house. I'd love to make you a cash offer. If you're looking to sell, just start negotiating with them. And that's how you find deals, just like this, right? So basically, just on this road, I did a previous video on a fire damaged house, and then I drove down a little bit further and I found this vacant house. That's two houses on one road. So dollar for dollar, I would say a lot of people, you know, view methods like this as old school. But let me tell you, I've never been on the street before. And I've been coming to this town for 17, 18 years. I never knew the street existed. I turned on it because I turned on a wrong way after a seller appointment, and I found not one but two potential leads for a house. And leads in this business are worth a lot of money, right? On a pay-per-click, you could pay $200 for a lead. So basically, two leads is $400. And for a wrong turn, that's not too shabby. Definitely going to look into these, see if I can skip trace, find the owner, make an offer to buy the house. I'm going to send them a postcard, send them a letter. I'm going to text them. I'm going to call them, do everything I can to get hold of them and make an offer to buy this house. And that is how you buy houses, guys. So it's really not that difficult. Just start going out in your neighborhood and looking for vacant, boarded up properties, and then just go ahead and find out who the owner is, get on the phone with them and make them an offer to buy their house. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.